welcome to Don's Manufactory. I'm back to working on Betsy today. And one of the things that always bugged me was that this mirror was loose. This rearview mirror was loose. And I just always lived with it, only to find out that it's held in with a little Allen wrench just now. And I could have tightened it a long time ago. Despite that, I decided to start cleaning it up. It's got quite a bit of rust and stuff on it, but it's cleaning up so it looks halfway decent. The mirror is in still good shape. A little history. I worked at Omark back in the early 70s, and they provided this little sticker so that during the fuel embargo or the oil embargo of 74, that Omark employees had a day of the week that they could go in and put gas in their car. You can really see the difference. It doesn't look half bad. I think maybe I'll just polish it like that, put it back on, and it just becomes another survivor part. It's still tight in the socket. This part here was the only thing that was loose, so I kind of really like this mirror. Okay, that's it for the history. I think maybe I'm going to take this sticker off, though. It's been on there since 74, but, there's rust underneath that I need to take care of. Yep, I'm using Meguiar cleaner wax, and I'm also using some 4/0 steel wool. It's pretty basic. It does a pretty good job. The steel wool is cleaning the rust out of the metal there. There are spots where the plating is gone, but if I polish long enough, it just brightens up the metal, and then the wax kind of stops it from rusting. I suppose if I really felt like preserving it, I could spray it with a little, maybe urethane, clear urethane spray, and that would stop the metal from rusting again. All in all, looks pretty sharp, I think. Thanks for watching.